Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool wooden wall telephone, and this is Ben's telephone from Indiana. And he actually sent this telephone from Florida. That's where the telephone came from. And he did some research on this, and he was thinking it was a Western Electric 317. Any of these wooden walls are highly collectible, and I want to give you a little bit of a look at the bottom. And this is how it came in. So we want to go ahead and give you a look at the inside. And we're going to be doing a conversion on this telephone where we have a keypad. He wants a keypad in the battery box area. It has a 5-bar magneto, so that's cool. And we're just going to go through this telephone and troubleshoot it, make sure everything is working. We're going to install a keypad in the battery area so that Ben can make a telephone call and call out on it. We're going to upgrade the transmitter and the receiver, and then rewire this telephone the way we need it wired. We also have to create a circuit so it doesn't backfeed any voltage into the telephone line when you crank the magneto and ring the bells. Also install a modular port so Ben can simply walk up to this telephone and plug in any length, any color line cord. Now, he does want to save the receiver capsule cord that's with this telephone because it came in like that, and we're going to try to save that for him. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up in the repair and conversion of this telephone. So we're going to kind of run through a little bit about what went on. Now, we upgraded the transmitter and we upgraded the receiver capsule. And so we also went through the bells and got them straightened out and the solenoid and everything adjusted with the bells. We went through the magneto and we had to work on that a little bit and get that cleaned up and turning properly. And so we also then wanted a keypad installed in this unit. So we installed a keypad, and we went through the hook switch and made sure that was proper and rewired everything the way we want it wired. We also installed a modular port so that Ben can simply bring a line cord any length, any color, and into the telephone and plug it in, and it's plug and play. Makes for a clean, simple connection. Now, we also created a circuit so that when you crank the magneto and ring the bells, that you're not backfeeding any voltage into the telephone line, but yet when you get a call on the telephone on a ring cycle, the bells will ring when you get a telephone call. So a little bit of everything has been done with the telephone and a lot of rewiring. So basically what we're going to do now is our final checks. And I want to go ahead and I'll close it for a second because I want to ring the magneto and ring the bells. And we also want to call the unit, and so we'll do that with the analyzer. We'll ring the bells. Now let it go one more time. And we'll go ahead and answer the unit. I'll give you some dial tone. Now if you watch the analyzer, we'll go ahead and walk through our numbers on our keypad. want to end in a 2. Then I want to hit flash and redial. And that should end in a 2. Now we also have a volume control on the right side that slides up and down, and we have a hold button and the redial and the flash button, so we could basically hit the flash button and get dial tone back. Now what we can do is I have a button on my switch box, and we can push that button and get a line out that'll totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number, give you some dial tone. Now on this time and temp number, they're having problems with their equipment, so you're going to hear the recording and then it's going to have a hum. It's on their end, has nothing to do with what we're doing here. It's their equipment. I want to hit the flash button, give you some dial tone again.
Good evening. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. The time is 7:04. Current temperature 94 degrees. Mostly cloudy overnight, 30% chance of a shower and a thunderstorm, lows around 70. Friday, partly sunny, 20% chance of a shower and a thunderstorm, highs around 90.
Okay, we can go ahead and hit the flash button, give you some dial tone, and we'll call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. So now that we know that this telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Ben and he can start enjoying this telephone. It's a very cool telephone. It's in very good condition for its age, and I'm sure no matter where this telephone is installed, it's going to look great, and Ben's going to get a lot of use out of this telephone, I'm sure, and enjoyment. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.